Welcome back to Traveling Cloud. The prospect of owning a custom-built home on your own piece of land is an exciting journey that requires careful planning and consideration. From finding the perfect plot to seeing your dream house take shape, this step-by-step guide will walk you through the process of buying land and building a house. Step 1. Define your goals and budget. Start by outlining your goals for the new house. Determine the size, layout, style, and features you desire. Then, establish a realistic budget that encompasses both the land purchase and construction costs, as well as contingency funds for unexpected expenses. Step 2. Find the right location. Research and select a suitable location for your land. Consider factors such as proximity to work, schools, amenities, and the overall environment. Consult with real estate agents, online listings, and local land registries to identify potential plots that align with your preferences. Step 3. Research local regulations. Understand the local zoning and building regulations that apply to the chosen area. These regulations dictate what type of structure you can build, setbacks from property lines, maximum building height, and other important aspects. Ensure that your plans comply with these regulations. Step 4. Secure financing. Secure financing for both the land purchase and the construction of your house. Consult with lenders to explore mortgage options and obtain pre-approval to determine your budget limitations. Step 5. Purchase the land. Once you've identified the ideal plot, work with a real estate agent or directly with the seller to negotiate the purchase. Conduct due diligence by checking the property's title, survey, and any potential legal issues. Hire a lawyer to assist with the legal aspects of the purchase. Step 6. Design your home. Collaborate with an architect or designer to create detailed house plans that align with your vision and budget. Consider factors such as the layout, number of rooms, energy efficiency, and any special features you want. Step 7. Obtain necessary permits. Submit your house plans to the local authorities to obtain the necessary building permits. This step ensures that your plans meet all zoning and construction requirements. Step 8. Select contractors. Choose reputable contractors for the construction phase. This may include a general contractor to oversee the project, as well as subcontractors for specific tasks like plumbing, electrical work, and roofing. Step 9. Construction begins. With permits in hand and contractors selected, construction can commence. Regularly communicate with the contractor and visit the site to monitor progress and address any concerns that may arise. Step 10. Finalize details and inspections. As construction nears completion, finalize interior details such as finishes, fixtures, and color schemes. Schedule necessary inspections to ensure that the construction adheres to building codes. Step 11. Move in. Upon receiving the necessary approvals and completing all inspections, it's time to move into your new home. Celebrate this achievement and enjoy the fruits of your labor. Step 12. Landscaping and personalization. After moving in, focus on landscaping the property to enhance curb appeal. Planting trees, shrubs, and flowers can add beauty to your new surroundings. Additionally, personalize the interior to make the house truly feel like home. The journey of buying land and building a house is both rewarding and demanding. Careful planning, research, and collaboration with professionals are essential to navigate each step successfully. With dedication, patience, and the right resources, you can turn your dream of owning a custom-built home into a reality that you and your family will cherish for years to come. If you don't want to miss any of our videos, like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and good luck on your free land journey.